Sharpness test. Knife with no handle.
Oh,
Well, I didn't finish the knife. Look how thin this is. After Ray sharpens this baby, I think it's gonna be massive. But sharpness test first.
yeah. Sharpen it, sharpen it. Ooh,
How much?
15.
Well, don't look at the numbers now. That only shows the sharpness of the edge. The main thing about this knife is its thickness, which is the sharpness behind the edge. Huh? You get right? I mean, once we finish this, you'll know something that's gonna be so big. Lovely.